Hello dear traders, welcome back to Insta TV. You're watching financial news. Trading activity has remained thin early in the day. Investors are focusing their full attention on Jerome Powell's speech to the Congress. Market participants are intending to get hints from Powell's speech about the Fed's stance on monetary policy. Excluding a strong U.S. jobs report, other data reflect a decline in economic activity. The Fed is likely to pinpoint this fact and therefore will not change plans for policy easing. Besides, inflation expectations are at extremely low levels. On Tuesday, White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow made it clear that when making a decision on the key rate, Fed officials would primarily be guided not by labor statistics but by price indicators. The US dollar is trading around a three-week high against its rivals. At the Asian session, it was trading at the level of 97.47. The next movement of the greenback will be set after Powell's speech. Today, traders are carefully studying the minutes of the previous Fed's meeting. The quotes of the dollar-yen pair are growing for the second day in a row. Today, the dollar-yen pair is trading at 180.93, higher than yesterday's close. If the Fed's head mainly talks about the slowdown of the economy, the quotes of the dollar-yen pair may reverse and fall below the level of 107.50. The US and China have resumed trade negotiations. Traders are also quite interested in this topic. However, many experts assume that the parties are unlikely to reach a trade agreement in the near future. The Australian dollar sank almost to its lowest level in 3 weeks. During the Asian session, the Australian versus the US dollar pair was trading at 0.6911. Meanwhile, analysts started talking about another rate cut in Australia after the consumer sentiment index dropped to a two-year low. The Aussie was also affected with the weak inflation data from China. The indicator did not rise as expected. Within 24 hours, there will be three events that can radically change the movement of currency pairs: Powell's speech, the Fed's minutes publication, and the Bank of Canada's decision on its monetary policy. And that's all for now. Stay tuned.